If Steam is showing a no connection error, but your internet works everywhere else, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Steam back online without guessing. This problem is often caused by a communication issue between the Steam client and your Windows network stack. And the good news is that it can usually be fixed in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. The first and fastest fix is to reset the network handshake that Steam uses behind the scenes. To do that, right-click the Start menu and open Terminal as an administrator or PowerShell as an administrator. Once the window opens, we're going to run two simple commands. First, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the winsock catalog, which is often where the connection problem starts. Then type netsh int IP reset and press Enter. This resets the TCP/IP stack, which can clear up deeper networking issues that may be blocking Steam from connecting properly. After both commands finish, the next step is very important. Restart your PC. Don't skip this part, because the reset will not fully take effect until Windows reloads the network settings. Once your computer starts back up, open Steam again and check whether the no connection error is gone. In many cases, this alone solves the issue. If Steam still refuses to connect, the next thing to try is toggling offline mode. Sometimes Steam gets confused about its own status, especially after a failed login attempt or a connection interruption. In the top left corner of Steam, click Steam, then choose Go Offline and confirm it. Steam will restart in offline mode. After that, click Steam again and select Go Online. This forces Steam to try a fresh connection to its servers, and that new handshake can clear up the error. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to clear the download cache. Over time, corrupted download data can interfere with Steam's ability to communicate properly. To do this, go to Steam, then Settings, then Downloads. Scroll down and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart automatically and then ask you to sign in again. This is normal. Log back in and test Steam once more. If the cache was the problem, the connection error should be gone. Now, if Steam is still acting up, you should repair the library folder. This is especially useful if Steam cannot properly verify permissions on your main drive. Go to Steam, then Settings, then Storage. Select your main drive, which is usually C:. Next, click the three dots next to the drive bar and choose Repair Folder. Let Steam finish the repair process, because this can fix library permissions and restore proper access to the files Steam needs to run correctly. At this point, one of these methods usually gets Steam back online. If you want the quickest path, start with the PowerShell reset first, then move through the other steps in order. That way you're fixing the most common network issues before moving on to the more specific Steam settings. If you're still seeing the no connection error after trying everything in this video, the issue may be coming from a firewall rule, antivirus conflict, or a temporary Steam server problem. But in most cases, these 4 steps are enough to restore the connection. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.